Today I'm going to be showing you everything that I bring on my adventures. Today I'm going to be showing you what's on my tech backpack. Alright, so first off, let's start off with the backpack. This is a K&F concept backpack. I found it on Amazon. I needed a backpack that was practical for me to travel with, and this is not sponsored. I'm incredibly happy with this backpack. Now, first of all, I can hook up my GorillaPod, my tripod for vlogging right on the backpack, so I can easily, with these hooks, I can easily detach and attach not only a tripod, like an umbrella or whatever, which is pretty cool. It's also weatherproof, which allows me to, not really worry about it, which is great. You guys will see more about the backpack once I actually open it. Something that I brought on my trip to Thailand and Vietnam, you guys saw, was like this adventure hat for the sun, for the rain. It was incredibly useful. Definitely recommend it if you're going to the jungle. Here you go. I have an AirTag on the back of my backpack just in case I lose stuff. So let's go ahead and actually start opening it. Oh, actually, before I show you that, what I love about this backpack is this easy access for the camera, for example, or in my case, I really use it to just grab my lens. Usually when I'm vlogging, I've got like this ultra wide lens, and then this is a 2870 from 𝗧𝗛𝗏, which is, I absolutely love this lens. Definitely recommend it for travel videos. All right, so let's go ahead and open it. You guys saw the tripod. This is my Joby vlogging tripod. It honestly works great because it's pretty sturdy and it helps me with my storytelling process. All right, we've got a couple things here. Let me put everything and show you one by one before I actually fully open the backpack. A couple things that I bring. Charger. I love this dual charger that was on my MacBook Air, so I can connect two USB-C ports. This thing is from Apple, and I bring a USB-C and a lightning charger. My earphones of choice when I'm traveling are the brand new AirPods Pro 2. The sound quality of this thing is absolutely incredible, and especially for traveling, noise cancellation is definitely something very important for me, and that's why I bring that. And then I always bring some Apple Watch bands, always with me. This is the new band from the Ultra, and of course I always bring my Apple Watch Ultra and my Wristcam. I also bring these glasses from the Readers. These are great because I'm with the screen all day long, so these are anti-blue light emitting glasses, so it helps your eyesight. So if you don't want to wear glasses in the future, I wear these so I take care of my eyesight. I also bring this on my travel. It's just a cleaning cloth for my devices. This one's actually from Apple, and that's that. All right, so the backpack is pretty awesome because there's like a bunch of compartments. So if you bring a lot of technology, it's really easily to get disorganized. So with this, I can easily have it organized in a fairly manner, right? So first of all, my camera, my action camera of choice is the GoPro Hero 10. Yes, the GoPro Hero 11 came out, but I'm actually pretty happy with this one. What I like the most about the GoPro is that it's just super durable, right? So I can put it wherever. My iPhone, which I'm gonna talk about in just a second, is also very durable, but there's sometimes in some cases, in a lot of cases, especially when traveling, that you don't want to put your iPhone underwater or in mud, right? So I love getting those action shots with my GoPro. And something that I definitely recommend for traveling is this. This is the GoPro 3-way. It's pretty cool because it acts like a tripod, and you can mount it and you can do whatever you want with it. And something that I love is this. Like, you've got like this, really awesome view. It's like kind of like a selfie stick, but it's not a selfie stick. This sound, by the way, this is because I put it in salt water a lot and I didn't clean it. I know, very irresponsible of me. AirPods Max are my headphones, my noise canceling headphones of choice. These guys are so great for video editing for me. It's the all-in-one package for me. They are great. For traveling, they might not be the best earphones because they are not lightweight and you really feel them. But in terms of sound quality and noise cancellations, these guys are amazing. I've actually made an entire traveler's perspective of the AirPods Max. If you guys want to check that out, definitely recommend you guys to watch that video. In terms of audio quality, this is what I usually vlog with. This is the Video Mic Go from Rode. Really good microphone, and it's never really given me a problem. And yeah, it just works pretty well. Now here's my drone of choice. You guys will probably be surprised. I've got the DJI Mini 2. I don't have the DJI Mini 3. Why don't I have the 3? Well, because the 2 works perfectly fine for me. Yes, I do want to get the 3 eventually because it's got a lot of features that I really am interested in. I actually made a review on the 3, but this always works great. And you know, there's a lot of people that ask me, why don't you get like a better one, you know? Why the Mini? Honestly, because it fits right in here. Look how small this is. Like it fits in my hand. And that's so incredibly powerful to me. For me, that's what I mentioned in the beginning. Like I'd rather have like a smaller and more compact because it just works great for me for traveling. I can just throw it in bags instead of like a bigger, I know it's better quality drone, but this serves really well. And it's also got 4K video and it looks great either way, right? I know I could get better images, but it works really, really great for me. Also, USB-C adapter to connect my SD cards just in case. Battery, this is a 20,000 milliamp battery that I always bring. When you're traveling, you gotta have a battery. Also, Bluetooth speaker, this is the Sonos Roam. I always, whenever I go to a hotel and stuff, I always put music on. I need music to live. So Sonos Roam sounds great and honestly looks great. Doesn't this design, I just really like. The battery life is great, sound quality. It's also weather resistant and stuff, which is pretty nice. What do I have over here? A book. Okay. This is the book that I'm currently reading, Atomic Habits. I'm sure you know about this book. I'm currently reading it and it's really good. Whenever I'm traveling, I always try to bring a book with me. And then here, let's talk about the tech that I actually bring with me in terms of laptop and stuff. So this is iPhone, right? The iPhone 14 Pro. This is my daily driver iPhone. And a lot of you guys always ask me, Nikias, why don't you never wear a case? Well, guess what? I never wear a case. I always love to go caseless, but whenever I'm traveling, I usually like to wear a case. One of my best friends recently got me this 𝗧𝗛𝗕𝗏 iPhone case. It looks great and I'm really liking it. But in terms for recording and video and everything, iPhone 14 Pro is honestly incredible. Also, sunglasses. I always bring this whenever I'm traveling because you gotta protect from the sun. And then my tablet of choice is the iPad Pro M2. It's great, it works great. 12.9 inches gives you like a very big display. So if I need to photo edit on the go, if I need to make thumbnails on the go, you know, having the Apple Pencil and having the Magic Keyboard, that combo is really impressive. Now here's the thing. The iPad Pro is great, even for video editing, but I've never gotten used to video editing on the iPad. As you guys can see, I've recently picked up the MacBook Pro M1 Pro with 16 gigs of RAM. This thing is an absolute beast. I honestly wish I wouldn't need to get this guy, but because I love working on my iPad, but I just don't like video editing on the iPad. I'm sorry. Unless Final Cut comes to the iPad, I still have to test out DaVinci Resolve. So unless Final Cut comes to the iPad, I will probably keep using a MacBook to edit all of my videos. Then the camera that I always bring is this, the Sony a7S III, probably the best and the biggest investment I've ever done in the channel. This thing is super expensive, but the camera quality, I mean, you guys have seen all the videos, right? Everything is shot with this thing. And then I've got a 17-28 lens. It's my perfect vlogging lens. I love vlogging on that. And then here's this thing is from Atom Tech. Everything is linked down below in the description, by the way. This thing is a really cool iPhone tripod. So if I have to make like a quick Instagram reel or I have to record something with my iPhone, it's pretty awesome. And as you guys can see, it's super easy to clip on your phone, and you can also do it vertical. So if you want to record a TikTok of you dancing, it's really great. It also came with a remote that you can start playing and stuff, but I lost that. Either way, got my Apple Watch. So that's everything that's on my tech backpack. If you guys have any questions about anything, everything is linked down below in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Be happy because life is good, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
The breeze brings goosebumps to my